Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin ay si Thunder Motorcycle.
Hindi, wow.
So ang order ko dito guys is yung Hella Classic Horn. So titignan natin guys kung legit si seller. Kasi first time kong umorder dito sa shop na to. I-unbox natin guys.
One eternity later.
So ayun guys, legit si seller, Hella Classic Horn Set. Pero sira-sira yung box. Okay lang yan guys kung sira-sira yung box kasi sa delivery talaga yan. Ang importante yung item is totoo. Oh guys, legit si seller guys. Hella yung pinadala niya. So ito guys, legit. So legit si seller guys. Thank you for watching.